Welcome to Easy English Boost, your space to learn clear, practical, and simple English. Whether you're a student, professional, or just starting your English journey, this channel is here to make learning easy and effective. We share grammar lessons, sentence-building tips, vocabulary, spoken English practice, and more, all explained step by step. Subscribe now and watch your English skills soar, one lesson at a time. Today, we start with the most basic part of English, the sentence. You use sentences all the time, but do you know what makes them complete and meaningful? In this lesson, you will learn what a sentence is, the 4 types of sentences in English, how to identify each type in real-life situations. Simple examples to help you understand and remember. Let us see what a sentence is. When we speak or write, we use words, but just having words is not enough. These words must be arranged in a way that makes sense. When words are in the correct order, they form a meaningful expressions. For example, the sun rises in the east. This group of words gives a complete idea. It makes full sense. A group of words like this, which makes complete sense, is called a sentence. Now, let's look at the types of sentences in English. There are 4 main types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Let us learn each type with clear and simple examples. Let's start with the first type, the declarative sentence. Declarative sentences tell us something or give information. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. Examples: the sun is hot. I have a pet dog. They went to the zoo yesterday. My mother is a teacher. All these sentences state a fact or give information, so they are called declarative sentences. Now, let's learn about interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to ask a question. They always end with a question mark. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Examples: what is your favorite color? Where are my shoes? Do you like pizza? Is he your brother? All of these are questions and are called interrogative sentences. Next, we have imperative sentences. Imperative sentences tell someone what to do. They can be commands, requests, or instructions. A sentence that gives a command, makes a request, or instructs someone to do something is called an imperative sentence. Examples: please open the window. This is a request. Sit down. This is a command. Turn left at the corner. This is an instruction. Don't touch that. This is a warning. All of these tell someone what to do, so they are imperative sentences. Now, let's learn about exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences show strong feelings like surprise, excitement, joy, or fear. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Examples: what a beautiful day. Oh no, I dropped my phone. Wow, that was amazing. Hooray, we won the match. These sentences express strong emotions, so they are called exclamatory sentences. Here's a quick summary of the 4 types of sentences. Declarative: it says something. Example: I love reading books. Interrogative: it asks a question. Example: what time is it? Imperative: it gives a command or makes a request. Example: please help me. Exclamatory: it shows strong emotion. Example: what a great idea. These are the 4 sentence types, each with its own role in communication. Now it's your turn. Can you write one example of each kind of sentence? Share your sentences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.